Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jean-baptiste TIGNEGRE. I'm plant breeder and I am based in Mali. I'm in charge of Allium breeding for wildfish in Mali. The title of my presentation is Bulb Yield Stability Study of Onion Line over Location and Season in Ghana and Mali. The plan of my presentation will be as follows: background, objective, material and method, result and discussion, conclusion. Onion plays a key role as source of nutrient and income for people in sub-Saharan Africa. However, few high-yielding varieties are available to farmers. World top producers are China, India, USA, Iran, Russia. World top exporters are Netherlands, India, Mexico, continental China, Egypt, USA, and Spain. World top importers are USA, Germany, United Kingdom, Russia, Malaysia, Japan. Production, growing areas, and yields vary according to countries and how intensive the production is. This slide stands for onion mean yield in the world over a certain number of years. We just wanted to show the fluctuation in yield according to the country. For developed country like China, yield of onion can reach 60 tons per hectares, while it's only 20 tons on average for developing countries such as Mali and Senegal and Niger. This graph shows imported and exported onion in different countries in the world. As you can see, this graph show that local demand for onion in Mali is higher than the offer, while in more developed countries such as China, India, Netherlands, the offer is higher than the demand, which results in export and also source of income. This table aims at showing that low diversity and poor adaptation are amongst currently grown onion constraints in West Africa and most developing countries. The objective of this work is to identify adapted onion genotype for sustainable production in some zones of northern Ghana and South Mali. Material and method. Sets of 8 onion lines from the World Veg onion collection and 1 commercial check were evaluated during the cool and dry season from September to March. The trials were carried out in technology parks and on farm field under the joint management of farmers and researchers. The trial sites were Upper East and Northern region of Ghana and Southern Savannah zone in Mali, Bougouni and Koutiala. Plot dimensions were 2 by 2 meters with planting densities of 20 centimeters and 15 centimeters between and within rows, respectively. Onion bulb weight was recorded for each plot after harvest. Separate analysis of variance were performed for each location and season in the complete randomized design. Combined analysis of variance was made to determine the most stable variety using the following stability analysis model. 4 model was used: AMMI plot, GGE biplot, line superiority measure, and ecovalence stability coefficient determination. Result and discussion. This table shows onion yield performance in multi-location and multi-years trial conducted in Ghana and Mali. The effect of years by location by variety were highly significant. 5 lines performed better than the commercial check with yield higher than the average yield, which was about 25 tons per hectare. Most of these varieties most of these variety yields range from 25 to 33 tons per hectare. The first model used was AMMI biplots. This figure shows AMMI biplot analysis for onion yield. AMMI is the additive main effect and multiplicative interaction. Genotype with IPC1 and IPC2 score near 0 are considered as adaptable to all locations. Genotypes close to the origin of the axis are more stable than most distant ones. Therefore, the above 3 genotypes were the most stable line identified in this model. The second model was genotype plus genotype interaction GGI biplots. GGE biplot generated 7 sectors and grouped the site and years in 2 major mega environments. The first mega environment was that including Koutiala, as opposed to the rest of the sites on the other side, including Ghana, all Ghana sites, and Bougouni in Mali. The mega environment are those sectors which comprise 1 or more sites. Northern region, Upper East region, and Bougouni are significantly and positively correlated. Genotype AVON1310 had higher yield than in Ghana and Bougouni, and was the best performing varieties. AVON1314 was the winning variety in the mega environment 2 formed by Koutiala over 2 years. In this slide, the above 5 onion genotypes have low productivity and were not suitable for recommendation because they do not fit in the 2 mega environments identified in the study. The third model used was Wricke ecovalence stability measure. Sorry. So in this table, you can see genotypes and their stability coefficient WWI and their yields as well. 4 genotypes, AVON1310, AVON35, check variety, and AVON1317 with smallest coefficient values were the most stable varieties. 2 genotypes, AVON1310 and AVON1325 were better because they were above average yield, that is 25.61 tons per hectare. The last model used was that of Lin and Binns. According to Lin and Binns, the coefficient PI characterizes genotype by associating stability and productivity and defines superior genotype with performance near to maximum in various environments. As a result of this study, the rank of PI, the coefficient, and the mean yield were almost the same, which means that PI is more an indicator of yield rather than an indicator of stability. This table shows a summary of stable genotype resulted from different stability analysis model. The frequency of number of time a model validates a genotype as stable is shown in the last column. And as you can see, some varieties, depending on the mega environment, 1 or 2, were consistently scored 3 times over 4, and sometimes the frequency was 2, and some just have 1 in their mega environment. It's also very important to show that AVON1308 was considered as stable variety in the 2 mega environment, and this was confirmed by other models as well. To put things in a nutshell, in mega environment 1, including Ghana, Northern and Upper East region, and Mali, AVON1308 and AVON1310 were the most stable genotype. So they are suitable for mega environment 1 that accommodate Ghana and Bougouni in Mali. In mega environment 2, accommodating Koutiala, AVON1308 and AVON1325 were the most stable genotype with above average yield. Now, across all environment, including Ghana and Mali, genotype AVON1308 was the most stable genotype. So this genotype was stable in all 3 countries. In conclusion, the genotype with above average yield greater than 25 tons per hectare also out-yielded currently released line and registered in Mali catalog of vegetable varieties. They are AVON1374 and AVON1373. Therefore, the above varieties can be recommended for their relevant micro environment, mega environment, or we can also use AVON1308 as a transversal variety that can be recommended in all sites tested in Mali and Ghana. I've finished with the presentation, and I thank you for your attention.